The one-day Lean Champion program is designed to give delegates an overview of the principles of lean manufacturing, giving them the processes and the tools to help them to implement a continuous improvement culture within their business and to make real change. Also helping them to understand how to implement a coaching system so the whole business benefits and they form the habits of continuous improvement. The workshop is an integration of ideas that have come from previous workshops that we've run. It's based on the experiences of the advisor team, with the aim of helping delegates to understand the principles of continuous improvement. We use simulations because it's a far simpler way of demonstrating in practical terms what we mean when we talk about the principles of continuous improvement. The simulations are a great way for the delegates to actually see in practical terms what the theory actually means. I'd like to give you two examples of companies that have actually implemented lean practices having attended our lean workshop. Candy's Cupcakes Limited have reorganised their layout to improve the workflow and have created standard operating procedures to achieve an estimated 15% increase in productivity and production capacity. Another great example is Science Designs Limited, who went away so infused that they created an internal WhatsApp group and they tried to come up with an incremental improvement every day. Don't wait to sign up for this fantastic opportunity for fully funded training. And I would recommend that you arrange a meeting with your management team as soon as you get back the following day in order to start driving change across the business while it's fresh in your memory.